Namaste to everyone. I welcome you all in my YouTube video channel. Today I will deliver lecture on trigonometry degree level chapter general exponential function lecture number 1, in which I will discuss about the idea and nature of general exponential function, and I will solve some problems related to this idea. Let a and x are real numbers, then function of x equal to a to the power x is called the exponential function. Let this is number 1. We may write number 1 as function of x equal to e to the power x log a. This is number 2. Now, if a and z are complex number, then function of z equal to a to the power z is called general exponential function. Let this is number 3. Similar to 2, we may write function of z equal to e to the power z capital L log a. This is number 4. Let z equal to x plus iy. X and y are real numbers. A equal to alpha plus I beta. Alpha and beta are real numbers. This is number 5. This is number 6. Since we know that capital LOG log W equal to small log log W plus 2n pi I, n equal to 0, 1, 2, dot, 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 dot. This is number 7. Using 7 in 4, we get function of z equal to a to the power z equal to e to the power z, and capital LOG log a is small log log a plus 2n pi I. This is equal to e to the power z log a is log r plus I theta plus 2n pi I, where r square equal to alpha square plus beta square and tan theta equal to beta by alpha. Here n equal to 0, 1, 2, dot 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 dot. Let this is number 8, this is number 9 and this is number 10. 8 may be written as here function of z, left side function of z equal to a to the power z equal to e to the power z means x plus iy, x plus iy, and under bracket we get log r plus I theta plus 2n pi, and this will be equal to e to the power x log r. Here I multiply I is I square means minus 1 minus y theta plus 2n pi plus I. Here x multiply theta plus 2n pi plus y log r, n equal to 0, 1, 2, dot 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 dot. Let this is number 11. Here it is clear that right side of 11 may have different values for different values of n. So function of z equal to a to the power z is a many valued function. Now let x log r minus y theta plus 2n pi equal to p, x multiply theta plus 2n pi plus y log r equal to q. Let this is 12, this is 13. Therefore 11 may be written as function of z equal to a to the power z equal to e to the power p plus iq, implies that function of z equal to a to the power z equal to e to the power p multiply e to the power iq, and this will be equal to e to the power p e to the power iq means cos q plus I sin q equal to e to the power p cos q plus I multiply e to the power p sin q. This is number 14. Therefore, real part of a to the power z equal to e to the power p cos q and imaginary part of a to the power z equal to e to the power p sin q. Now we solve some problems. Problem is prove that I to the power I equal to e to the power minus 4n plus 1 pi by 2. Now we solve this. Since we know that a to the power z equal to e to the power z capital L log a, when a and z are complex numbers. This is number 1. Implies that I to the power I equal to e to the power I capital L log I. This is number 2. Since we know that capital L log W equal to small l log W plus 2n pi I, n equal to 0, 1, 2, dot, implies that capital L Og log I equal to small log log I plus 2n pi I, n equal to 0, 1, 2, dot. This is number 3. Since I equal to cos pi by 2 plus I sin pi by 2 and this is equal to e to the power I pi by 2, implies that small l log I equal to log e to the power I pi by 2. This is equal to I pi by 2 log base e. This is equal to I pi by 2 multiply 1, log base e means 1, and this is equal to I pi by 2. Let this is number 4. Using 4 in 3, we get capital Log log I equal to small log log I equal to I pi by 2 plus 2n pi I, n equal to 0, 1, 2, dot, and this is equal to I 4n plus 1 by 2 pi. This is number 5. Using 5 in 2, we get I to the power I equal to e to the power I capital L log I equal to I 4n plus 1 pi by 2. and I multiply I square is minus 1. So this is equal to e to the power minus 4n plus 1 pi by 2. Proved. Now we solve the next problem. Next problem is if I to the power I whole to the power I equal to cos theta plus I sin theta, then so that theta equal to minus pi by 2 4n plus 1. Now we solve this. Firstly we solve the previous problem. Firstly we solve the previous problem. Which I have just solved, and get I to the power I equal to e to the power minus 4n plus 1 pi by 2 implies that I to the power I equal to e to the power minus 4n plus 1 pi by 2 to the power I, and this equal to e to the power minus I 4n plus 1 pi by 2. Let 1 here, given that I to the power I equal to cos theta plus I sin theta. This equal to e to the power I theta. This is number 2. Comparing 1 and 2, we get here e to the power minus I multiply 4n plus 1 pi by 2. Here e to the power minus I theta. Left side same. So theta will be equal to minus 4n plus 1 pi by 2. We may write this minus pi by 2 4n plus 1. Proved. Now we solve the next problem. Next problem is if I to the power I equal to cos theta plus I sin theta, then so that theta equal to 2m plus half pi multiply e to the power minus 2n pi plus pi by 2. Now we solve this. Firstly we solve the previous problem, that is the first problem, and get I to the power I equal to e to the power minus 4n plus 1 pi by 2. We may write this as e to the power minus 2n pi plus pi by 2. Let this is number 1 here. Let this is equal to a. Let, and this is number 1 here. Now I to the power I means I to the power a. Here I to the power I is a, and this is equal to e to the power a capital log I. This is number 2. Since capital log log I equal to small log log I plus 2m pi I. M equal to 0, 1, 2, dot, 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 dot. And this log I is I pi by 2 plus 2m pi I. M equal to 0, 1, 2, dot, 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 dot. And we may write this I 2m plus half pi m equal to 0, 1, 2, dot, dot, dot. Let this is number 3. Using theory into we get I to the power I equal to e to the power a log I means I under bracket 2m plus half pi. This is equal to e to the power a. A means here e to the power. Firstly we write this I 2m plus half pi, and now we write a equal to e to the power minus 2n pi plus pi by 2. Let this is number 4. Given that I to the power I equal to cos theta plus I sin theta, and this is equal to e to the power I theta. This is number 5. Comparing 4 and 5, we get here left side same, and then in right side theta will be equal to this part. Therefore theta equal to 2m plus half pi multiply e to the power minus 2n pi plus pi by 2. Proved. Thanks for watching my video. If you are satisfied with my presentation and contents, then please click on like button and do subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.